Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about modules in Python. Now what is a module? A module is simply a file containing a set of instructions or functions as they'd be called in programming. So it's a file containing a set of functions you want to include in an application. Now, how do we create a module? To create a module, all you got to do is have a file inside another file. Now this is going to sound confusing, but basically let me try and simplify this down a bit. A module is basically a set a block of code you can call from another code. So it's like a function of another code. I'm not sure if we've done functions this series. I don't think we have, but basically you'll find out now. We're not actually going to go over functions too much in the series. They're kind of, after the series, you can go off, learn about them yourself and expand your knowledge a bit. But we'll kind of skim over it today. Now, in the file I'm saving all the scripts in this series in, I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm just going to call this module for now. Now, in here, I'm going to simply open up Python, file, save, and I am going to save it in this module script, and we'll just call it module. We'll just call it module. Now, let's create a function here, def, and as I say, I'll skim over this, I'll kind of explain it. Def means define, and then we want the function name. So the function name will be add or addition, and then A and B, they are going to be our parameters. These are what we want. So when we call this function, we're going to want an A value and a B value. Then we will simply print. No, we won't print actually. We're going to return A plus B. That's simple. Now we'll file and save this. Now if you run this, not Python shell, Python run module, it won't actually do anything. So let's now use this. So now let's create a new file, which we want to save under the same folder. It has to be saved under the same folder, by the way. And we'll say main. We'll just call it main. Now at the top here, we want to say import my module. We'll go over a bit more what import means in a couple of episodes time. Maybe I think even next episode. But for now, if we click import my module, basically what it means is it is allowing us to use functions within inside the not my module. Sorry, we just called it module. It allows us to use functions within the module script we just created. And now down here we'll say module dot, and then the file name, the function, which is addition. And in here we'll set in our A value. Oh wait, hold on, sorry. We'll say answer equals module dot addition, because remember it's returning a value, so we want to assign it to something. And we'll say 4 and then 6, and it should return 10, and then we'll print answer. Now, if this has worked well, if we run this, it should print 10. And it does, there we go. And that's basically all this module does. So a module allows you to it can contain functions, and it will allow you to access those functions from another script, which is really cool. And that's basically it. That's all I've really wanted to show you today. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, and if you are enjoying all of our videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and goodbye.